Hello and welcome. This video will discuss how to get to know the market. Introduction. Let's discuss how you, as a realtor, can gain an edge in the real estate market. Knowing the latest market trends, technologies, and other industry news is essential to success. You will learn the importance of staying up to date on the market in just a little more than a minute. Part 1. Staying informed. The real estate market is ever changing, so keeping current is essential. Research trends and technologies in the industry, follow industry websites and blogs and ensure you are aware of any changes. Part 2. Gathering resources. Find reliable resources for market insights, such as economic forecasts, housing data, and market news. Researching and collecting reliable information can help you make informed decisions about your business. Part 3. Keeping up with other agents. It is also essential to stay connected with other agents in the industry. Networking and maintaining relationships with other agents can give you valuable insight into the market. Conclusion. Thank you for watching this video about how to get to know the market. Implement the strategies discussed and you will be able to stay up to date on the real estate market to give yourself the edge over the competition. Thanks for watching.